How to unlike all the liked videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlike your all the liked videos on TikTok. So if you want to do that someday, then first of all just open your TikTok and make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of TikTok on your device. So yes, if you've already done so, then open your TikTok here. After opening your TikTok, you will see a home screen like this. From here you need to go to your profile on the right side, and after tapping on your profile on the down right side, now what you need to do is on the bar where it's written this lock screen and this, you just need to tap on the last option, that is with a like and no cross option right here. So here is all your liked option. So if you ever want to unlike it, just tap on the video that you have liked. For example, I've liked this video, then if I want to unlike it, then I'll just tap here and I'll go back and it's unliked now. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. And yes, the next option, if you want to delete it all at once, is you can report the problem. How you can report the problem is go to the top right section with three vertical lines, tap on my settings and privacy option. Now you will see the option of report the problem. Just report your problem, stating that you want to unlike all the videos that you have liked till now, and after sending your problem you are done. The TikTok will send you feedback after a few days, a few hours, and your problem might be solved just like that if you have a lot of videos that you want to unlike. Otherwise, you can just tap on the each video and unlike by choosing by yourself. So yes, that's how I can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.